to educational channel of Market Cockpit. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the most haunted topic of stock market. That is, how human emotions, human sentiments, human psychology, human brain influencing the trading decisions in stock markets. Traders normally think of his friends that they are minting money, news came, it's bull market, but I am not the part of the rally. My close one is making money, where I am not. ABC stock went up to 35%, 50%, 70%, 90%, but I never invested. Oh, let me rush into the market with the greed intention of making money. And finally what? You know better. Well, now coming back to the topic, a human emotions regularly influence traders regarding buying and selling of stocks. In other words, when trader wants to take decision on buying or selling, his investing decisions can be ultimately influenced by his emotional reactions rather than his own research or technical analysis. Friends, we have set off survey done by behavioral economists, and they have found that emotions of human sentiment influence the trading actions of human brain as regret, hope, greed and fear. Once again friends, regret, hope, greed and fear, which significantly influence individual trader decisions while trading. And in this video, we will be learning more on these sentiment factors. Now, let's talk on what is regret. What do you mean by regret in stock market? Feeling sad, repentant, or disappointed over the last trade you went into loss. Regret is an emotion associated with the individual investor wishing that they did not perform a past action. It has been found that traders are less likely to purchase a stock that they have previously sold at a loss, especially if the stock price trading higher than the previous selling price. This can make a trader regret that he made a mistake in selling those shares previously at lower price. Let's take the example of S-Bank, where a trader bought 1000 quantity shares when it was trading at 65, and he sold the same stock in panic when it was falling and trading at 8 rupees. He lost 57 points per share. Friends, he was in net loss of 57,000. Now the same S-Bank shares are trading at 17 rupees, and it definitely regretting him his previous hurry which he sold in loss, rather concentrating on some other good stocks. Now it's tempting him to buy S-Bank shares now, which is trading at 17 rupees. Dear friends, this might go wrong as this decision was not taken technically or fundamentally, but taken by human sentiment. This is called regret in loss. The other way of regret is in profit. Traders are more likely to repurchase the stock that has been previously sold for a profit and is now trading a price lower than what trader has previously sold it. Let's take the example of S-Bank, where a trader bought the S-Bank shares at rupees 12 rupees and sold at rupees 22 rupees with a profit of 10 rupees per share. Now the same S-Bank shares are trading at 17 rupees. Trader thinking that it's an opportunity to grab the stock at lower level, which might again go wrong as this decision is taken human sentiment. Now let's talk what is hope while investing in stock market. What do you mean by hope in stock market? It's a feeling of expectation of stock and desire for particular thing to happen as assumption in future. Hope is associated with the belief that as future will turn around to be positive. It has been found that when the stock price decreases, traders sometimes will continue to hold the stock because they hope that there will be a turnaround in price, and they become insensitive and evidence, and practically that won't work, that the stock price will continue to decrease. In other words, the trader will never sell stocks even in falling market, because as traders keep hope. To recoup the losses, even when prices drastically coming down, traders hope stock will recover. Let's take the best example in non-conventional energy sector, that is Suzlon Energy. which was trading at 400 rupees in January 2008. Within span of 10 months, the same stock was trading at 44 rupees per share, which is almost 10 times down from 400 rupees. Meanwhile, traders in between might have catched the falling knife of the stock from 400, 350, 300, 250, 200, 150, 100, 55 and whatnot. And this is the best example of hope of traders without any technical or fundamental analysis. Remember, the same stock today, when I am uploading this video, now it is trading which is almost 100 times lower and considered to be a dead penny stock. Now let's talk what is greed while investing in stock market. What do you mean by greed in stock market? It's a feeling of intense and selfish desire of stock price in terms of number movement. Greed is an emotion associated with the desire for something of wealth, power and status. Greed is a destructive emotion or a negative element. Because of a greedy person, he will never reach a point of satisfaction and he will always want more and more furthermore. Greed is a social emotion. When those around us become greedy, despite our best intentions, we can be infected with their greed. When greed infects a number of investors, then there definitely can be a pricing bubble, which represents a spike in a share price. Investors buying a stock that has a bubble often lose money. Let's take the example of Harshad Mehta scam. ACC was spiked on non-grounds rumors by the set of brokers who duped greedy investors to buy at higher price, whereas practically the earning factors, growth factors, fundamentals of the company was not strong, like the price was moving. This is the best example of greedy investor without knowing any technical or fundamental factors wishes to buy at higher price. Let's talk what is fear while investing in stock market. What do you mean by fear in stock market? It's a feeling of an unpleasant emotion caused by the threat of danger of stock market in coming days. Fear is an emotion associated with the detection of threat or possible harm. In case of stock market, there can be fear of losing investment. Many traders invest their hard-earned cash in stock market with the vision of making money. When prices decrease, the investors see a penny loss. Then the emotions of fear can give the temptation for them to go for panic selling, where the investor sells at any low price to safeguard some of their investments. Let's take the example of present pandemic of COVID-19, China and Wuhan virus, where we saw Nifty was trading at lifetime high in January 2020 at 12,300 plus. And because of many days of lockdown and COVID-19 pandemic has led a sharp economic downfall, and Nifty made a low of 7,511. This made many investors to clear out their portfolio in loss. Again, it is because of fear. But in the same time, the market made huge upward movement by punishing bear market and ever seen bull market in history. Currently, the Nifty is trading around 14,600 plus. Investment based on emotions, greed or fear is the main reason why so many traders are buying at tops and selling at bottoms of the market. Underestimating risk associated with investments is one of the reasons why investors sometimes make suboptimal decisions based on the emotions with hope. Staying in the market through short-term volatility is often the key to long-term success as an investor. Well, it is the time to tell about the bottom line of this video. Considering this all parameters, regret, hope, greed, fear, no matter how great you are in the financial or business or talent and so and so, you can easily say that I can go without sentiment, but it is hard to follow the same. Investment in stock market involves understanding your psychology and gaining control by overlapping emotions that could safeguard your huge damages to your financial status. Today, you all learned about basic sentiment which affect your trading style or investment style. As in general, survey report of behavioral economists, 90% of traders will go into loss of their hard-earned money in emotional trading. So my dear friends, let's follow two rules from today after learning about emotional trading. That is, rule number 1, never trade or invest in stock market with emotions or with human sentiments. And rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Stay tuned with us. Please subscribe our channel by clicking red subscribe button, and don't forget to click bell icon. A cockpit, bundles of knowledge.